Odd Duck Foundry on a dreary afternoon in late October in Maine. I got a project I got to do because winter's coming up and heating oil doesn't buy itself. So I've got to do a little bit more commercial things aside from the other projects I've got going on. And today I'm going to be starting a run of my Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe caboose cabinet latches. And this is a direct replica of a set that I copied for a group that is restoring a caboose out west, an actual honest to God Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe caboose. And they needed a bunch of them for the restoration project. So, but yeah, this is it. I'm going to be doing a run of these in bronze. And I should have about 25 sets done by the end of the week, hopefully. So, if you are interested, they will be for sale. And I will link my Facebook page down below. And you should be able to contact me and purchase some if you would like. And this is the latch itself. It's pretty simple, actually. I like the design. And this was made with a big counterweight over here. So as the caboose would bounce along down the railroad, that cabinet wouldn't open up. And this was just enough to keep that in place. Very simple. And this is the pattern we're going to be using today. And like I said, this is a direct copy from an original set of these latches. So it came out pretty good detail. So this is the pattern we're going to be used today. Alright. When I say bronze, it's going to be more like bronze-ish because what we're going to be melting and using today is just scrap plumbing fixtures for the most part. So it is going to be a mixed bag bronze-ish kind of sort of mess. Hopefully it'll cast all right. It should. I'm doing this because my other big sources of bronze I've got to reserve for another project. And they're actually not specifically for my use, they're for another project I've got to do. So I'm using the crud that I've got available to me to do this project. But you won't know in the final process, in the final product. You won't be able to tell. All right, first things first. I'm going to start my big furnace. Yep. Okay, now I start this thing with basically scrap wood, a little bit of cardboard soaked in oil. I did have provisions for this to run it on propane to heat it up originally, but it didn't work very well. It was pitiful at best. So, and you'll notice that this is a homemade setup, and most hobbyists, it is going to be a homemade setup. Okay. First things first, we're going to light the starter materials. We're going. Start the air. Catch a little bit more. This is how you make your neighbors love you. All right. cracking. Let's get to the project. I hope you guys enjoy. This isn't going to be a how-to. This is just going to be an as-I-do-it type of thing. And now that my fire is going pretty good, I better get the pound of sand. And we have a result. I think we'll let them cool down a little bit before we knock them out. What do you think? Let's see what we get. Did we get a full pour? Or am I wasting my time? Let's see. And we have result. Ta-da! All right. Very brassy looking. That's okay. Those are going to clean up nice. Ta-da! Good detail, pretty good surface finish. I'm happy with that. Only 20 to go. I've got to de-gate these, take off the parts that I'm keeping, and this is going to go back in the melting pot. So I actually have enough material to keep going. So, ear balls on. Go.
All right.
And here's our result. I've got 10 sets all done, ready to go, all finished up, nice and shiny. And these will be posted for sale on my Facebook page this Friday. And I only got 10 sets done, basically because I ran out of fuel. I thought I had another 15 gallons of waste oil, but it turned out to be nothing but water and sludge. So that doesn't burn very well. So until I get some more fuel, that's it for the big furnace. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.